One part of the Outreach module functionality is to use Polaris auto-generated selection lists to help build a pick list for your Outreach patrons. In order to use this part of the functionality, you will need to have input information in at least one of the topic-related preference areas in the Patrons Reader Services tab. This includes subject, author, and/or genre. You can access the Outreach Services selection list workform two different ways. First is from the Patrons record. In the Patrons Reader Services tab, click on the Selection List button. This will open a workform with the heading ORS, or Outreach Services, Selection List. The second way is through Outreach Services. To access, select the Utilities menu. Select Outreach Services. Locate the patron from the list of active Outreach patrons. Click the checkbox next to their name and click Selection List. Once you're in the ORS selection list workform for your patron, click the Build List button. At this point, the database will attempt to match terms found in their preferences to catalog records. It may take a few moments to load. Click on a column heading to sort the list. I'm going to click on Format to sort the list by what type of item it is. Click on the checkbox next to the title to view copies at your library. This is where you can tell if a copy is available or checked out. To add an item to your Outreach pick list, select the checkbox next to the item and click Add to Pick List. Let's look at another title. If an item is unavailable, but you think the patron would like it, select the checkbox next to the title in the selection list and click Place Hold. Adjust any settings and notes, then click OK to complete placing the hold. It's important you click Place Hold from the selection list. If you use the Place Hold by the items, it will place an item level hold, and the patron may have to wait a lot longer for that specific item. By using the Place Hold with a selection list, you're placing a title level hold. You can also manually add titles outside of the preferences or selection list. To do so, click Find tool. Search for the title you're interested in. Double-click on the title or select Open to add the title to the selection list. Select the checkbox next to the title to bring up a list of copies. Just like before, you can select a copy and add it to this patron's Outreach pick list or place a hold on the title. If you want to see more information about a title, click on the title entry. It will open the title's bibliographic record where you can read a summary and see all the title details. Click Close to go back to the ORS selection list. You can also adjust the patron's preferences right from this list if needed. Click on the Preferences menu and choose which area you would like to adjust. Click on the Pick List tab at any time to see what you've added to pull for the patron. You can also add items that are currently on the hold shelf for the patron by clicking into Actions and Add Held Items. When finished, click Save. This will add the items to the Outreach pick list. One thing to note is that the Outreach pick list is separate from the library's daily pick list. The items added to the Outreach pick list will not appear on your daily pick list and vice versa. In the next video, we'll look at how to access the Outreach pick list.